Is your 2007 to 2011 Toyota Camry key fob not working? The most common cause is a dead CR2032 battery. You can buy these batteries at most stores for between $5 to $10. The battery typically lasts for 2 to 4 years. Signs include weak signals, intermittent operation, or the fob not responding at all. To replace, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool. The fob has two halves held together by clips. Gently insert the tool into the seam near the key ring to pry it open. If it's stuck, apply gentle heat from a hairdryer for about 10 to 20 seconds to soften the plastic. Pop out the old battery, noting the positive plus side up. Insert the new battery with the plus side facing up. Snap the case back together, ensuring the clips align. Test the buttons. Make sure to recycle your old battery at a local recycling center. If your remote still doesn't work after a battery replacement, try reprogramming the fob. Refer to your Camry's owner's manual for the specific procedure. It usually involves turning the ignition to the on position and pressing the lock-unlock buttons on the fob. Avoid using excessive force when opening the case to prevent damage. User error, like forcing the case open, is a common problem. If the case is hard to open, consider running it under warm water for 5 minutes. If issues persist, the problem may with your car's receiver module or wiring. Also, after replacing, be sure to sync with the vehicle's ECU. Always reprogram after replacement to sync with the vehicle's ECU. Failure to do so causes 40% of persistent issues. Ensure the battery orientation is correct to prevent short circuits and damage. The rising cost of dealership repair means you save money using DIY methods. This video has been created as of October 2025.